Good afternoon, everybody. Happy trading. I hope everybody is having a good day today, guys. Yes, so as for me, I'll make this quicker than the last video. I made a total of $111.50 before commissions. After commissions, it was $68.03. I'll take it, guys. So the trades I made today, I'm actually I'm not proud of some of the trades that I took today because I actually am one of four. I'm one of four today. On four trades, I got one winner. So definitely not the way I want to continue. And I'm not happy. Even though I am in profit, I definitely have something. It's not even something to really work on. I know what I did wrong. I just have to reinforce not doing it. But I'll talk about that in a second, guys. So the two stocks that I traded today was APT and TWMC. I was actually done trading at 9:30. Well, actually by 9:31 I was done trading for the morning. Um, but anyway, let's get right into it, guys. So as you can see, APT jumped up on this coronavirus news, as are many other RX stocks. Uh, Pharmaceutical companies, biotechs, all of them are being affected. And it's, most of them is just basically bringing them all up. That news of the coronavirus out there. So that's basically what the catalyst was for this one was. So anyway, I saw a pre-market. All right, so I know exactly where I went wrong, but of course hindsight is 2020. So what happened was I got in at 8:56. That was up here. I got in here, and what I did was I anticipated the break of the pre-market high. So that was the reasoning behind this trade here. I was anticipating the break. So that's one of the caveats and one of the pitfalls of anticipatory trading. You have a couple types of trading. You have anticipatory. You have confirmation trading. That's the safest way when you have to wait for something to confirm. So that would be me waiting on it to go above and then come back and retest and then going higher. But yeah, I anticipated and it fell off. Now see that trade, I let's see here, it was 13 cent loss on that trade. Okay, 200 shares on it, so it wasn't much. I think it was like 20 something dollars. Hold on, let me see here. It was 13 cent. Yeah, $26 loss. So kept the loss small. See, the guys, I want to get into that too. That's the that's the reason that you guys have to set a hard stop. You have to, and then you have to keep your losses small. That's what will keep you in the game. You're gonna have losses. We all are. But the key is, keeping them small, so that way you don't take yourself out of the game fully. You know what I mean? You don't take yourself out in one play. So that way, when you do come and win, you don't have to be digging yourself out of too far of a hole. But anyway, guys, yeah. So I took that. So now this is where okay, that's a part of my strategy. So I don't feel bad about that trade. I'll take it every day of the week. In trading, nothing is going to be 100%. You're going to have, as long as you're right way more than you're wrong. As long as this pops out way more times than it stops like that, then I'll take that trade every day. But now this is where I had a problem. This is my problem. This is my mistake here. I can't blame anybody else. Now, once I saw that, I had no business trading it down here, anticipating it to break again. It showed me already that it's a double top. So that's showing a heavy resistance at this level. I was supposed to wait until it showed strength and got over that first. So that these next two trades that I made was totally careless on my behalf, I will say. So the next trade I took was at 9:01 at $5.26. So 9:01. That's in this candle right here, 5.26 for another chance at the break. Again, I should have waited. I definitely learned from it. I mean, that's the beauty, guys, is when you do have errors, or like myself, Um, you use that as a learning opportunity. Don't beat yourself up. Don't look down like, oh, I'm a loser or anything like. Don't do that. Use that now. Once you know you have a chance to recap and go over your trades, use that as a learning opportunity. All that's doing is actually helping you get better. So anyway, yeah, I realized I shouldn't have done that. Now, after doing the recap now, I'm realizing I should not have went in again until it showed that it could break this level. All right, so I did that two times after this. I took my first trade here, took the second one here, and then took one more at 9:18. That was like sorry about that, guys. 9:18. All right, so it looked like it had found a little base here. I was at this point, I was micro managing this trade. Looked like it found a little base right here in this area, this 520 area. If you see here, the bottom here, the bottom here. So I went ahead and jumped in for again the shoot up to the break of the high, and which it didn't do. All right, so I lost a total of 130 on that trade, but I stuck to my strip. I never changed. I don't care what's going on. I used to do that, where if stuff goes wrong, you start to panic and just start taking all types of crazy trades that might not have anything to do with your strategy. Yeah, again, and then as you can see here, this was forming a wedge, so it had to go. It was going to either break out or break down. And as you can see, it formed this. It was forming higher lows, but it wasn't making higher highs. So that's another thing I should have noted. It was making higher lows, but it was not making higher highs. So that's a sign that uh, uh, a stock is going to be coming into a tight spot, and then it has a decision to make. Sometimes it'll shoot above, sometimes under, but you will see. You can see the wedge here. All right, guys. So to my last trade, very last trade, guys, but this was the home run winner. TWMC. TWMC. That had news. They say they're selling the FYE. Uh, they're gonna sell that for $10 million in cash. So that had this stock going. So anyway, again, I love the news, but that's not my main deciding factor. So I saw that it was it made this was a resistance point up here, as you can see around that, basically around the 540 area, right? So I didn't want to make the same mistake as before, so I said let me wait until it breaks it. Let me wait. I'm not gonna get in. That's why you don't see my entry at 5:30. I could have got it at 5:30 or whatever, but I said no. I'm not gonna make that same mistake. So anyway, I took the trade as it shot up, but it shot up so fast. I actually was trying to get in around like 50 or 560, but it was shooting up so fast. I ended up getting in at 591. And can you believe? In 11 seconds, I made 69 cents on that trade. 11 seconds made almost 70 cents on that trade, which was 200 almost $50, $241 in 11 seconds. That's the power of the market, guys. That's why I'm here, and that's why that's the beauty of it. 11 seconds, $250. I'll take that every day of the week. All right, guys. Yep. So I took my profit. It was so volatile to. I said, let me go ahead and take my profits. I'm not gonna let it shoot back down to as high as it was going up is as high and high as fast as it can be going down. And then also I saw a daily level here, so I knew that. And as you can see, I've been had this level here, but you can see the price responded to that accordingly. It got up near it, and that was the end of that run. But hey, if you held on, bro, you would have got $3, over $3, $4, $5 if you got it from the bottom. You would have got a lot. But yeah, I'm happy with what I got. That put me in the back in the green, and so I'm up after commission $68, almost $70. So I'll be opening up near 600 tomorrow. But tomorrow I'm not gonna be trading, guys. I got well. I tell you, I have to be out of here by 9 o'clock in the morning. So if something sets up before 9, then I'll take the trade. If not, then I'll have to hold off until Monday. All right, so that's it for my recap today, guys. Just want to show you guys. See, here's the levels here that I marked up. As you can see, it touched up here multiple times. That's what made this stand out over all the other wicks. Is it hit this about 3 times? One, two, three. So I can mark it up for you. You have to see these things, guys, before you enter a trade. You have to check out the daily chart. See where's the resistance. I say this in every video, but anyway, guys, that's that. If I could leave you with anything, stick to your system and learn from your mistakes. Mistakes are gonna happen. That's okay. Nothing wrong with that. What would be wrong is if you continue to do the same thing. So what you do is you learn from them. Learn from your mistakes. Take time out. See where you went wrong. Note it, and then reframe from it. That's all, and then you'll be better for doing that. All right, guys. You have a good one.